Namaste, dear readers. Happy Ganesha Chaturthi. On this auspicious day, we will chant a stotra, a Vajra Panjara stotra from Vinayaka Rahasya. Vinayaka Rahasyam is an ancient text which discusses the worship of Lord Ganapati as the supreme reality. And Vinayaka Rahasyam is composed of many khandas, parts. And in that, the first one is the Jnanasara. In the Jnanasaram, in chapter 11, there is a Vajra Panjara. Vajra Panjara means it is like a protective cage made of Vajra, the celestial weapon, and it protects the devotees who chant this hymn like Vajra protects. This is a conversation between Narada and other sages and Lord Surya, the sun god. Narada daya uchuhu Vajra panjarakam bruhi Ganeshasya Dineshwara. O Dineshwara, O Lord of the day, O Surya, please tell us the Vajra Panjara of Ganesha, asks Narada and other sages. Lord Surya says, Surya uvacha upadishtam guneshena shivaya Vajra Panjaram gunesho rishiretasya chandonushtu prakirtitam Mula mantra vachasesham krutvacha dharayedidam. He says, this was taught by Gunesha, a form of Lord Ganesha who is the Virat Swarupa, to Lord Shiva. This was taught to Lord Shiva by Gunesha. So Gunesha is the seer of this hymn. The meter is Anushtup. And Nyasa and other procedures must be followed just like the Moola mantra. Then the devotee should wear this Dharayed. Wearing means holding in mind is one meaning, and another meaning is making it into an amulet and wearing it in the neck or on the hand. Bindu Rupo Vakratundo Rakshatu me hridistitaha Dehan Chaturvidhan Patu Tatvadharas Sanatanaha Ekadanto Deha Moha Yutam Soham Swarupadhrit Dehinam Mam Visheshena Rakshatu Brahmanashakaha Mahodaraf Patu Devo Nana Bodhan Pratapavan Sada Rakshatu me Bodhananda Samstho Hyaharnisham Samkhyan Rakshatu Sankhyesho Gajavaktrasu Siddhidaha Asatyeshu Samsthitam Mam Patu Lambodaras Sada Satsu Sthitam Sumohena Patu Mam Vikato Vibhuhu Anandeshu Sthitam Nityam Mam Rakshatu Samatmakaha Vignarajo Mahavignair Nana Khelakaraf Prabhu Avyakteshu Sthitam Nityam Patu Mam Dhumravarnakaha Swasamvedyeshu Samstham Mam Ganesha Swaswarupadhrit Mayeshwaras Sada Patu Yoga Bhavena Samsthitaha Ayogeshu Sthitam Patu Hyasamadhi Suke Rataha Yoga Shanti Dharaf Patu Sarvada Yoga Samsthitam Ganadhishaf Prasannatma Siddhi Buddhi Samanvitaha Gajakarnaf Puraf Patu Paschime Dundhinayakaha Yam Yam Chintamanif Patu Kauberyam Nidhidayakaha Agneyam Vignahartapi Nairrityam Varadovatu Vayavyam Patu Herambaha ऐशान्यामीशनन्दनः ऊर्ध्वं सिद्धिपतिः पातु बुद्धीशो यः सदावतु सर्वाङ्गेषु मयूरेशः पातु मां भक्तिलालसः यत्र तत्र स्थितं मां तु सदा रक्षतु योगपः परशु पाशसु संयुक्तो वरदाभयधारकः असिलक्ष्यमयः पातु पितरौ मे गणेश्वरः आत्मानं मे तत्पदार्थो गणक्रीडस्तु रक्षतु त्वं पदार्थमयः पातु गणनाथो मम प्रियाम् गणाधिपो गुणेशो मे पुत्रान् पुत्रींश्च रक्षतु धनं गृहं पशून् भृत्यान् भ्रातॄंश्च गुरुसत्तमान् वरदः पञ्चदेवानां मयूरेशः सदावतु इदं गणपतेः प्रोक्तं वज्रपञ्जरकं वरं धारयस्व महादेव विजयी त्वं भविष्यसि य इदं पञ्जरं धृत्वा यत्र कुत्र स्थितो भवेत् न तस्य जायते क्वापि भयं नानास्वभावजम् त्रिकालं यः पठेन्नित्यं स गणेश इवापरः निर्विघ्नः सर्वकार्येषु ब्रह्मभूतो भवेन्नरः यः शृणोति गणेशस्य वज्रपञ्जरकं वरम् आरोग्यादिसमायुक्तो भवेच्च गणपप्रियः धनं धान्यं पशून् विद्याम् आयुष्यं पुत्रपौत्रकम् सर्वसम्पत्समायुक्तमैश्वर्यं पठनाल्लभेत् न भयं तस्य वज्रात्तु चक्राच्छूलात् भवेत् कदा यं यं चिन्तयते मर्त्यः तं तं प्राप्नोति शाश्वतम् पठनादस्य विघ्नेशपञ्जरस्य निरन्तरम् लक्षावृत्तिभिरेवं सः सिद्धपञ्जरको भवेत् स्तम्भयेदपि सूर्यं तु ब्रह्माण्डं वशमानयेत् एवमुक्त्वा महादेवं तिरोभूच्च गुणेश्वरः इति वज्रपञ्जरकथनम्. The Palashruti says, this is the Vajrapanjara Stotra that is great in nature, Varam, of Lord Ganapati. You wear this, O Mahadeva, Dharayasva, hold it in you, or wear this. You will be victorious, Vijayi Tvam Bhavishyasi. One who wears this kavacha or holds this kavacha in one's mind, and wherever he goes, he will not face any fear from different reasons. Na tasya jayate kwapi bhayam nana swabhavajam. One who recites this 3 times a day, trikalam yah pate nityam, sa Ganesha iva paraha, he will be like another Ganesha, like he will attain the qualities of Ganesha. He will be immersed in Ganesha, submerged in Ganesha. Nirvignaha sarvakaryeshu, he will not be obstructed and he will be unstoppable in all kinds of works. He will become one with Brahman. Brahma bhuto bhavennarah. One who listens to this stotra, yashrunoti ganeshasya vajrapanjarakam varam. Whoever listens, arogyadi samayukto bhavecha ganapapriyaha. He will be loved by Ganesha and he will attain health and other good things like dhanam, wealth, dhanyam, food grains, pashuns, cattle, vidya, knowledge, ayushyam, longevity, putra pautrakam, offsprings. Having attained all this, sarva sampat samayuktaha, Aishwaryam Patanat Labhet. Just by recitation, one will get all this. And he will not be afraid of any great weapon like Vajra, Chakra, Shula and others. Whatever he desires for, yam yam chinsayate martyaha, whatever he wishes for, tam tam prapnoti, he attains all that. Shashvatam, and that will stay with him. Pathanadasya Vignesha Panjarasya Nirantaram, by reciting this always, like every day, regularly, and by reciting this for 1 lakh time, the Panjara will show its full potency. Siddha Panjara ko bhavet. Then once the Panjara is really in its full potency, it can do anything. He can even stop time. Tambhayedapi suryam tu brahmandam vashamanayet. He can bring the whole world under his control. Having said this to Mahadeva, Guneshwara disappeared. Thus ends this stotra.